In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Smartsheet. Understanding this process can greatly enhance your team's collaboration and ensure everyone is clear on their responsibilities. Let's delve into the steps and make them as intuitive as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Smartsheet document where you want to assign your task. Once there, locate the specific task you're focusing on. You'll notice the task will have a row and several columns, including one labeled Contact List. This is where we'll assign the task to the right team member. Go ahead and click on the cell under the Contact List column corresponding to this task. By selecting this cell, you're essentially telling Smartsheet, "I'm ready to choose who will handle this task." Now it's time to assign the task. You've clicked on the right cell, and you're geared up for the next step. Start typing either the name or the email address of the team member you want to handle this task. You'll notice something intuitive here. Smartsheet is designed to make your life easier, so it auto-suggests contacts from within your organization's directory. This means that as soon as you begin typing, Smartsheet gets to work, scanning through your organization's contact list and suggesting possible matches. This feature not only saves time, but also minimizes the chance for errors, ensuring you select the intended recipient. As suggestions pop up, pay attention to the list Smartsheet generates. It's important to carefully review these suggestions to make sure you're selecting the correct individual. After all, you want to ensure the task is headed to the right person. Once you spot the person you're looking for, simply click on their name or email. This action will finalize the task assignment in Smartsheet. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully assigned a task in Smartsheet. This streamlined process helps keep everyone informed and accountable, making task management significantly more efficient. Remember, by utilizing Smartsheet's contact list feature, assigning tasks becomes quick and reliable, enabling seamless team collaboration. Whether you're spearheading a project or just ensuring everyone on your team has their tasks clearly defined, knowing how to assign tasks effectively is a game changer. I hope this guide has helped clarify how to assign tasks within Smartsheet. By ensuring your tasks are properly assigned, you're setting your team up for success and keeping your projects running smoothly. Feel free to revisit these steps if you need to, and soon enough, you'll become as comfortable with this process as you are with sending an email. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to continue improving your Smartsheet skills.